Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you will stay. Yo, Webathandi Bomkosi, this trending issue, it is quite touching indeed. So ever since News 24 released the Anele Tembe's inquest, social media across Mzansi has been going wild because of those screenshots that were shared there. If you haven't seen those screenshots, please check out my previous video. I've already discussed the matter behind those screenshots. So now, Tony Forbes, aka father, decided to release a statement to settle this matter. Shem, at this point, I am so sure that the Forbes family, they are really tired of whatever that is happening. Let us look at what the statement had to say. On Sunday night, I reluctantly made the decision to release various WhatsApp texts exchanged between Keenan Forbes and Anele Tembe and the Tembe family lawyer at some point. I did it as his father, not Leanne Forbes, not Stephen Forbes. I could not save him, but I can fight for his name and memory. The texts in question were exchanged during and after the Hilton accident in Durban in December 2020. Over years, I have generally not responded to countless media stories, political speeches, and allegations that Keenan murdered Anele. I believe that the formal inquest was the right place to respond. However, after continued character assassinations, I believed the time was right to put this information into public domain, to bring balance, to bring fact, not suspicion, not to create a false narrative. In short, the text supports the NPA decision that there was no foul play. It is also raises contradiction in relation to sworn affidavit in the docket. Amazingly, these texts were never included in the case docket. These texts were on Keenan's phone all along. The investigating officer did not include it. Read the text and decide for yourself. Thank you for your continued and amazing support. You, Aisha Batsani Bomkosi, Guningi Impela. This is really going far, because from what I have read and what I've understood there, Tony Forbes decided to share those screenshots to settle the matter, to bring balance, and also to ensure that his son's legacy and memory, it is left in dignity and not rumored that he once murdered his wife or something like that. This is indeed a painful thing. But now my question is, why were those texts never included in the case docket? Why were they never part of the case, and why are we only getting them now? What is the motive for us receiving these texts now? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.